What's going on YouTube? Coin Capital here, and today in this video I'm going to be going over a stock that I foresee doing very well in the future, that has done well so far. That's definitely something that you should get into now. It's a stock that I've been trading and following since it was at about $3 a share. Right now, this stock is trading at almost $8 a share right now. It closed 8 the other day. It closed at $7.80 today. The stock I'm talking about is AgEagle, or AgEagle Ariel Systems Incorporation, with the ticker UAVS. It's definitely been a hot stock recently. The other day it went up almost 40% on the day. It's the aerospace and defense industries, and they're a drone company in the industrial sector. Let's get right into the company first. So, AgEagle Ariel Systems Incorporation designs, develops, produces, and distributes and supports unmanned aerial vehicles for the precision of agriculture industry, which means this is a new industry that the company is getting into, which can be big in the future. It will be unmanned drones that actually can predict agriculture by using farmlands, which is cloud analytics that processes data, and it can be by farmers and agronomists. And the software it can detect plant growth and deterioration, so signals for agriculture, which can be very big. That industry right there is foreseen to explode in the future, and I think it definitely will. They also support operations of domestic industrial hemp programs for agriculture, growers and processors. They support ParkView, which is an aerial imagery and data analytics platform, assessing and supporting sustainability innovatives involving municipal, state, and federal public park and recreation areas. So for different purposes with that. And they also for unmanned drone shipping packages. And recently they've gone back and forth with Amazon with possible contracts with deals with Amazon. So I mean, that's very promising as well. And with the federal government, which would also bolster the stock. The stock's been moving without much news. They're getting more traction now, definitely, but they've been moving steadily without much news. So I'm going to get into the financials of the stock right now. Let's go. And currently, they have an average volume of over 5 million shares, about 5.3 million shares, which has been pretty good. It's been pretty high because recently they've had a volume of 10 million on the day. They do not pay a dividend. They're a cheap stock, but they have a beta of 5.66 and a market cap of about $500 million, about 500 million bucks. I mean, not bad. They've been very bullish recently. They have a bullish pattern detected in momentum. Performance outlook for long term is definitely high, short term high, and midterm high. All possible projections are very high. CNN Money has one analysis saying the stock could hit over $400 a share. I mean, that's a very high increase. We're seeing other companies market as overvalued, but honestly, that is not impacting the price at all for the stock. The stock's main holders are Vanguard, Geode, Virtue, and UBS Group. Vanguard has a total of 821,000 shares, Geode with 300,000 shares, and Virtue with about 150,000 shares. 19% of the shares are held by all insider, 3% are held by institution, and 4% float are held by institution. There's 35 institutions that are holding shares currently. The stock has recently been ranked up in the Spider Kensho New Economies Composite ETF with 1.7 million shares, valued at about $10 million, which is pretty big actually. Today the stock was red, as I said, coming after a 40% gain, which is good. It gives the company sustainability. It allows for restructuring. I think this stock should hit $10 a share within the next few weeks, if not months. And for the outlook in the future, I think this is a very good stock to get into. It's one of the top unmanned drone companies, and that industry is projected to grow at insane amounts, honestly. All in all, this stock is looking promising. I can't honestly recommend a swing trade for it. What this purpose of this video is to look out for the company, do your own research really, but just listen to what I have to say and buy and hold. That's what I would do right now. Buy as many shares as you're comfortable with. Keep in mind it's pretty volatile because it's a small company and it's kind of an emerging industry. Nothing's guaranteed in this industry and with this stock, but I think gains are I do think that, in my opinion, this is my opinion here, I think there's like a 90% probability that this stock is going to go up into the double digits very soon. That's what I feel, but I would just hold for now. It's definitely a good stock to get into. So make sure to like, follow, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to follow my TikTok and Instagram at CoinCapital. I'll be posting there regularly. Peace out.